Hi, welcome to another session in this course. We are going to be looking at data types in MySQL. We are going to be looking at the integer data type. We are going to be looking at fixed length character known as char. And also, we are going to be looking at the variable length character known as varchar. We are also going to be looking at date time data type. I will be showing you the difference between the varchar and the char. Let us get at it. There are several data types, but in this session, we will be looking at the common ones. Let us start with the data types for the numeric data. The first one is the integer, that is int, representing whole numbers. We have the customer ID and the card ID, they are form of integers. The other type we can use if our data or number is going to contain decimal is the decimal data type. You can see that the other value here has decimal data type. That is that for the numeric data. Then the next one are the ones for the text data. I will talk about the varchar. This is it here, the varchar of varchar, which typically means variable character. It means that when you put a variable character, you are saying that if you put 45, it means the maximum amount of characters that this particular column can take is 45. If you put more than 45 characters, it is going to be rejected. But why is it variable? It is variable because even though this particular column can take up to 45 characters, if you put 5, MySQL is going to allocate just 5 spaces and there won't be any blank or anything. However, if you use a fixed length character, which is char, this is it here. A fixed length character is usually used when we know that the values we are putting in that particular column is fixed. That is, the length is fixed. For example, this zip code. Zip codes generally have the same number of characters. Also, phone number, the same number of characters. Or if we are using like day. For example, now day can be Monday, Friday, Saturday, but if we are only using the first 3 letters like MON for Monday, TUE for Tuesday, WED for Wednesday, and we know that we are only using 3 characters for the day, then we can put 3 here. But the point is that this is going to be free. Assuming we put 10 here now, or let's say we put 5 here, and then we put 3 characters here. MySQL is going to put 3 and then add 2 extra spaces. So which means that we are going to be wasting resources in one way or the other. And that is why if you know that what you want to record is a text of fixed length, then you use char and then you put the number that that text is going to be taken. And the other one I want to talk about before we go is the date time. So when you have a date, you want to put this time. These are the ones we are going to be talking about. This double here is a form of integer, but I will change this to int. And all these text you are seeing here, we are going to be changing them to varchar as we go on in this course. Our text data are going to be in form of varchar or char. For this particular project and lesson, every text is going to be in varchar. Our other value is going to be in decimal, and other ones are going to be in integer as highlighted here. These are the common data types in MySQL. We are going to be meeting in the next one. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification icon, and like our videos until we meet in the next one.